So hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video in After Effects. So today I'm gonna show you my personal 4K settings and I currently use it in my videos. Then let me show you a preview. So without wasting any more time, let's get into After Effects. So be ready to your edits. And this is my current composition settings, but I can change to 180 by 9020. I use too easy to see. Then export your edit. Go on file menu, click on export and render equipe, and this is my current render settings. Then click on output mocha, select this format and go on format option, select this one, then press OK and save your video. After that, import your video into Topaz, and you can either copy my settings and adjust the settings according to your video. And you can also create a preset for these settings. Then let me show you the preview of it. Then after that, again import your video in After Effects and delete your old video and apply your 4K color correction, and you can see this quality. Then go on file menu, click on export and add to media encoder, and follow my settings. So thank you for watching guys, and if you want my personal 4K CC, just get this video to 200 likes and I will add the link in the description. So if you like this video, so don't forget like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video guys.